seconds.
We did a review of the keyboard, Yamaha PSR-S975 Workstation Arranger, and that keyboard now it has been replaced. It has been improved. Now we have the PSR-SX900, the ultimate workstation arranger by Yamaha, and that's that in my boot. It just came in, so we're going to do a review of that keyboard, and I hope you enjoy. Check it out. 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 Good. Oh baby, I'm going to be on. Okay, I'm going to some more. Some more. That's cool. PSR-SX900. What's in it? What's in it? The sun is taped to the other side of the box. So you have this keyboard here. We have the Yamaha PSR-SX900. Oh, beautiful. Oh, God. Wow. 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 I like it. Wow. 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 I like the build. This is damn good. It's quite very heavy. Wow. 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 Okay. What's behind the keyboard? I like checking those things out. We have the 16 volts adapter. We have the sub aux output, right to left and right. Okay, so if you have a sub output, you can use it for that, an auxiliary output. Then the main output, so this is where you connect your combos, like the stereo combos, like the PVA, KB5, Roland, KC550. Nice. Then the aux in for your mobile phones and for such loop functions. Okay, then the mic guitar switch, just like the one behind the 975 PSR-S975. Then 2 foot pedals, volume pedal, any other kind of pedal. This could be your sustain pedal as well. Then your MIDI in and out. For the studio guys, you just have it covered. Then to device, USB, double USB inputs. Wow, nice. Then to host. Alright. Okay, you were asking where the phone is. Okay, that's the phone input. So to your earphones, it's quite accessible so that your earphone would not be distracting your play. Nice, just like on the 975. Okay, so we're going to demo this keyboard. We're going to look at it into details. We're going to check out how easy some of the things on this keyboard are, and I hope you enjoy it. You can take right 3 out, then you have the pad only. So you have right 1 and right 2, you have the pad. And now you can increase the volume of the pad. Let's see. So the pad is louder here. You can reduce it to maybe 70. Then you can add a right 3. That's the organ. You can reduce the organ volume there. You can can make the organ stay very low on that. So you can fill your pad, but then your organ is not dominating.